In the last lecture, you learned about the Facebook newsfeed algorithm. And in this lecture now, we're going to start looking at the proven Facebook post formulas. These are the posts that will really drive engagement. These are the post formulas that I would encourage you to use. So what we're going to do is really look through all of these. Then what I recommend you do is pick one or two and post them onto your Facebook page. There's some are going to be maybe more appropriate for you than others. So we're going to look through them all. Then you're going to pick one or two or three, post them onto your Facebook page, and then we'll be inviting people to like our page. So we're going to get started with caption this photo. You've probably seen these before on Facebook. It's really a fun and simple post that is 90% visual. The only text needed is caption this. And these are really easy to find on Facebook. I'm sure you've seen them, but one of the best ways is to come into the Facebook search bar, just click or type in caption this, and now you're going to see a load of photos that are already using this. So here we go. Charlie Sheen, caption this. You can see that it's got 11k likes, 683 comments, 143 shares. So this is definitely a formula that works. The best thing about this type of post, and the reason I've decided to start with this post, is that it really is about, if we look back to our Facebook marketing strategy, social media should be about a conversation, aim to engage and not broadcast. If your posts and content don't start a conversation, at a minimum, then you're doing it wrong. And you can see that this is a perfect example of that. You're really inviting people to engage with you. You're not just telling them about your products. You really want to hear from them. And you can see that that type of engagement really is rewarded on Facebook. They really expose stuff like this. So you can see that all it takes is caption this plus a picture, and that's essentially it. So let's look a bit further down here. You can see that this is maybe a TV series, caption this. That's maybe something coming out from the TV series. Mark Wahlberg here, caption this. 105k, 8.5k comments. It's absolutely incredible. And you can see lots of other examples here. The Simpsons, some other one there, another celebrity. Let's see, more down here. Mark Wahlberg again. He seems to love this because it works and it gets a lot of likes. So you could do something. You can see that this is not only just Mark Wahlberg, a picture of him. He's taken kind of something well known and kind of made it kind of funny, that is kind of within his brand, his personal brand, kind of the bodybuilding stuff. So you can be creative on this. You might need to do a little bit of research to find something good. And you can find images and ideas by really just typing in caption this into the Facebook search bar. You can also use this site called Imgur. I put a link in here. You can open this up. But this is essentially the most viral images on the internet sorted by popularity. And you can really see them here. Now, some of these, it's not obvious why these are so viral, but if you click in, you can see a kind of explanation of them. And I'm not sure what that one's about. But, when your job is so boring that you paint the highlighter. Okay, so, all right. So you can come in here, find something relative to you. You can also come in here and you can search for things like caption this. You could maybe say something like caption this police department. You could say something like, say marketing. You can really search for your keywords here and look for the most viral images and then get ideas for those as well. So that is the first proven Facebook post formula. You can see in Facebook that gets massive amounts of engagement. And it really just is a great example of social media post in general that is really about starting a conversation and engaging the audience. That has really got what's get rewarded on Facebook. So I think that's a good example just to keep in mind, to keep it, even remind you of the type of posts that succeed. All right, that is the first proven Facebook post formula. In the next lecture, we're moving on to number 2, which is quotes.